Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to control the download quality of your YouTube app. So if you download a video on your YouTube library, you will see that there is an option that you will control the download quality of your YouTube video. So if you want to control the download quality of your YouTube video, first you need to open your YouTube app, and here you need to select the library option, and now you will see a option of profile pic at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and you need to select the setting option. Now you can see that there are lots of options will be given, but you need to control the download quality. So we will go under download section, and under download section you can see that our download quality is set to 144p, which is most low option for download on YouTube. So you can here control the download quality into medium, high or full HD. You can also select ask each time. So YouTube download option will ask each time when you click on download button. It will ask on which quality you will need this video, so it will allow this. You can also select the download over Wi-Fi only, so your mobile data will not be affected while downloading videos on your YouTube app. So I hope this guide was helpful, and you will be able to download videos on your YouTube app. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.